Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. First question, rules of real account. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Rules of real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Rules of nominal account. Debit all expenses, credit all incomes. Rules of nominal account. Debit all expense, credit all incomes. Rule of personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Rules of personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Rules of expenses. Debit increases, credit decreases. Rules the expenses. Debit increases, credit decreases. Expenses debit ആണ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ expenses increase ചെയ്യും, credit ആണെങ്കിൽ expenses decrease ചെയ്യും. Rules of income. Debit decreases, credit increases. Rules of income. Income debit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ income increase ചെയ്യും, income credit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ income debit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ income കുറയും, credit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കൂടും. Debit decreases, credit increases. Rules of income. Rules of asset. Asset debit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ increase ആവും, credit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ decrease ആവും. Rules of asset. Debit increases, credit decreases. Rules of liabilities. Liabilities debit decreases, credit increases. Liabilities debit decreases, credit increases. Rules of capital. Debit decreases, credit increases. Capital debit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ decrease ചെയ്യും, capital credit ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ increase ചെയ്യും. Original cost method is depreciation is calculated on original cost. Amount of depreciation is constant in all years. Value of asset reduces to zero after useful life. Original cost method is depreciation is calculated on original cost. Amount of depreciation is constant in all years. Value of asset reduces to zero after useful life. Written down value method is amount of depreciation is decreasing. Value of asset never reduced to zero. Written down value method. Amount of depreciation is decreasing. Value of asset never reduced to zero. Dash is prepared at the end of the period to show the financial position of the company. Balance sheet. Dash is prepared at the end of the period to show the financial position of the company. Balance sheet. Payment of monthly rent to landlord is economic event. Payment of monthly rent to landlord is economic event. Dash is original form of accounting. Financial accounting. Dash is original form of accounting. Financial accounting. Dash is an example of fixed asset. Land and building. Dash is an example of fixed asset. Land and building. Machinery. Plant and machinery. Land and building. ഇതൊക്കെ എക്സാമ്പിളാണ്, ഫിക്സഡ് അസറ്റിനുള്ള എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് ആണ്. The term dash denotes the cost of services and things used for earning revenue. Expenses. The term dash denotes the cost of services and things used for earning revenue. Expenses. A person who owes money to the business is a debtor. A person who owes money to business is debtor. ബിസിനസ്സിന് ക്യാഷ് കൊടുക്കാനുള്ള ആൾ ഡെറ്റർ. എ ഡാഷ് ഈസ് എ പേഴ്സൺ ടു ഹോം ദ ബിസിനസ് ഓസ് മണി. ക്രെഡിറ്റർ. എ ഡാഷ് ഈസ് എ പേഴ്സൺ ടു ഹോം ദ ബിസിനസ് ഓസ് മണി. ക്രെഡിറ്റർ. ഡാഷ് ഡിനോട്ട്സ് ഗുഡ്സ് ബ്രോട്ട് ഫോർ സെയിൽ. പർച്ചേസ്. ഡാഷ് ഡിനോട്ട്സ് ഗുഡ്സ് ബ്രോട്ട് ഫോർ പർച്ചേസ്. for sale. Brought for sale. Answer purchase. Dash is an example of wasting asset. Mines. Dash is an example of wasting asset. Mines. Asset acquired for long-term use in the business are termed as fixed asset. Asset acquired for long-term use in the business are termed as fixed asset. Things which are purchased by the business for resale are called goods. things which are purchased by the business for resale are called goods. Dash expenditure is incurred to maintain the business or to keep the assets in good working condition. Revenue. Dash expenditure is incurred to maintain the business or to keep the assets in good condition. Revenue. Dash is major source of revenue of any business. Sales. Dash is major source of revenue of any business. Sales. Dash represents the amount invested by the owner into business. Capital. Dash represents the amount invested by the owner into the business. Capital. A dash transaction is one wherein items are exchanged for other items. Barter. A dash transaction is one wherein items are exchanged for other items. Barter transaction. Thanks for watching.